After investing big in telecom services, Airtel has started betting big on digital business. Notably, the telecom operator has restructured its entire digital business as it wants to focus on the same segment in a better way. In fact, the company has started hiring more people in its digital business as Airtel is looking at consumer focused products. The decision on digital focus comes at that time after Reliance Jio and Vodafone Idea start focusing on machine learning, IoT based solution and artificial intelligence. Airtel is converting its entire structure so that it can focus more on digital operations and monetize them in the coming months. The industry sources also said the 1600 people were working on these digital services and all are recruited from top engineering college. Interestingly, teams from these top colleges have built AI-enabled chatbots which can talk to all customers in 12 languages and can solve issues for their 340 million users. Airtel also said that their engineering team have been using a lot of OpenStack, solving problems ranging from distributed computing, high performance mobile apps, voice bot, understanding high performance and building recommendation systems. Now we'll talk about Airtel's new corporate structure. The telecom operator has recently changed the entire corporate structure to increase revenue from digital and telecom services. Additionally, the structure is expected to help the telecom operator to reduce its debt. Airtel also said the new firms will have all future digital services or products including Wink Music, Airtel Extreme, Airtel Thanks app, Airtel Secure, Airtel Cloud, Airtel IQ. Airtel also stated that its board member has already approved this scheme. The company has moved the government to seek clarity on licensing policy. Given that carriage, telecom and DTH is currently being regulated and managed under two separate ministries of communication and information and broadcasting. Airtel's strategy to change structure and focus on digital services comes after Reliance Jio incorporated Jio platforms to combine digital platforms under one entity. This also means that there are chances that Airtel might selling stake in its digital business to reduce its AGR debt. Additionally, the Airtel Digital Services, which is close to 100 crore, is likely to cross 1000 crore revenue in coming years. Meanwhile, Airtel is expanding its broadband service in the country. Besides, the company has started offering free routers to its new users. The company is providing free routers with the plans. However, the company has introduced a new router which allows them to connect 60 devices with a Wi-Fi network. The newly launched router can connect 60 devices and can offer speed up to 1 Gbps. The company offers routers with all plans that the device which comes with 1 Gbps plan. It is specially designed with a multi-gigabit peak connectivity bandwidth. In addition, the company said that this router is sourced from Desan, which is a Wi-Fi router manufacturer. The company said the newly launched router can support smart appliances, wearable devices, multi-room speakers, gaming console, smartphones, television, and many more products. So guys, that's all from us every day. Keep watching Gizboard and thank you so much.